So Mulaleru, Nama Sachin bhai.
Dalunda.
So Shreyas bhai just helped the car guy to get the sari in. Good deed for the day. Look at that entire gathering. There are more than 200 riders who have come together. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today we are riding with Black Fox. It's a group, so there is a grand meetup which is organized by this group, and all of us, so me, Sachin, Prem, everybody is meeting up, and we are going. So now currently I'm going to Zero Gravity, meet the gang there, and from there we will be going towards Bondel and check out the grand meeting, and from there there's the ride to Padubidri. So let's go to Zero Gravity now, meet all the boys, and I'll see you guys right after this intro video. So special thanks to Paisel Suzuki for giving me the right to join this event that is organized by Black Fox. It's the meetup. We are going towards Zero Gravity. We'll meet Shreyas, Sachin bhai, Prem and all of them, and from there we will be heading towards the venue, which is Bondel. So just a little too late, I believe, but then yes, that's okay. It's a Sunday. I'll catch up and make good the time which has been lost. So as long as I know, there are easily 200 riders who are coming today for the grand meetup, and that's gonna be a huge gathering. So 200 riders is not a joke, and organizing that is definitely not a joke. So hats off to the team for organizing such a lovely event as a grand meetup. So this is the second year of the grand meetup. Now let's go meet up all these boys, and I'll see you guys once I am there. So there you see the Busa, that's Sachin's, and let's get in. So that means I'm not late. I can comfortably go, and all the riders are here. Tirthullere. Yes, Tirthullere. So Mulaleru, Nama Sachin bhai.
Dalunda.
Aija itte Burdu.
Juice undu.
Juice undu.
Juice undu. Juice.
Juice. Edunda?
Ari seperti na tencha juice e varkali.
Albatule, Dani tule.
Janila juice.
Anja ilite meet up ata mulu Zero Gravity. So itte piyo hoya late unda. Prem bhai barra undu. Ar batti baka bidadnu. Andu. So yes, we'll keep you posted what's gonna happen next. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, and you know, Niunda dada mulu. Full Chandrama, Ardha Chandrama.
Full mulla. Half mulla nile mooli todde.
Soon Chandrama.
And so yes, we'll see you in a while. Bye there, Prem bhai la. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಜಯ್ ಬಾಯಿಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ವಿರೋಶ್ ಚಟ ಬಾಕ ದ್ರೋಣ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್
Weekends on wheel.
ಅದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ರಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಇತ್ತೆ ಇರ್ ತಿಕ್ಕೇ ಇರತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಿಕ್ಕಿದಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದೇಕ್ ಬಾಕ ಇರ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಅತ್ತೆ ದಾದ ಅನ್ಬೋನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಬಾಯ್ yes Anja. So everybody is met. All that is pending is to go towards Bondel now. And yes, he's the man behind a lot of my sticker cutting that you've seen, and also the helmet which we did yesterday. So begat paadver mere channel de video tule. And ಮೇರಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇರತ್ತಾ ಈಗಲ್ಲ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಫ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಎಸ್ ಮಾತಾಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಪಿದಾಡ್ನು ಮುಲ್ತು ಎಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೌ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಇವೆಂಟ್ at Bondel for that Black Fox event. Yore. So the Buddha is right behind us, tailing us. That's Sachin. And there's Sanjay Bhai and Aryan, both of them are joining. And yeah, any drone inquiries, contact our man. He's the one. So he's the one who does all my drone footages, and Sanjay Bhai does all the graphics. So all the helmet graphics that you see on my helmets are done by Sanjay Bhai. ಅನ್ನ and that's Shreyas Bhai leading there. And that's the good deed for the day. So Shreyas Bhai just helped the car guy to get the sari in. Good deed for the day. So this is what a responsible biker does. Not only rides responsibly, also helps somebody else on the road. And the group is on the way. So here's our entry for the event. This is how it looks from the podium here. Look at that entire gathering. There are more than 200 riders who have come together, and this shows the riders' brotherhood in Mangalore. And these are all commuter motorcycles with mix of performance motorcycles as well. Wow. And this is the team Black Fox Mangalore. Premanna is all ready for dancing. Manlu antle kudu onji step aadu. Baka paadore. Stage idullar on the step ready.
Onte set ayi okka. Ajine America congrats second ball athinde.
Irege pon podenglu congrats.
America already opponent undu. 100 illa niladu pode.
Just going to start now. And the way this is organized is absolutely wonderful. I mean, I must admit, this is one of the best, or one among the best organized event that I've seen in Mangalore for a long time. And I'll remember this for a long time and days to come. Look at the way this has been arranged. Look at the way bikes are parked, organized, and every bike has got their own space, and these are the vehicles which will be used.
ಬಹುಮಾನ್ಯರಾದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳೇ, ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ದಾಯ್ಚೆಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾದ ವಾಲ್ಟರ್ ನಂದಳಿಕೆ, ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮಾಲೀಕರಾದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಚಿನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಶಟರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಪ್ರೇಮ್ ರಸ್ಕಿನ್, ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ವೀಲ್ಸ್, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಂದೇಶ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಆಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಝೀರೋ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಇದರ ಮಾಲೀಕರಾದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್, ಮಾನ್ಯ ರಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿನೋ,
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಲುಂಡ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಸಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳು ಈದ್ ಮಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಹೋಗಿ ಈದ್ ಮಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈದ್ ಬೈಕರ್ಸ್ ಒಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಲೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂಚನೆ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಂದ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೊರಡು ನಿಂಚಿ ಸೊ ಏನೋ ಲೇದಿನಿಗೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
Good afternoon, all riders and respected guests who have been a part of this event. So it's my honor to be a part of this event today and also address all you guys. So the first thing I would want to actually promote or talk about is safe riding. So we all ride, everybody is a rider. So even my daughter who's just 5-year-old, she's a rider because she knows how to accelerate, which everybody can do. But then riding in the right manner is what something you guys have to set an example today. So Walter sir has told that you have to send in a message, there is somebody waiting for you at home. Apart from that, what today everybody who has to set an example is that Mangalore is one of the safest roads for everybody to travel, because that is what you can set an example. So thank you for the opportunity and all the best to everybody.
ಮಾತೃಗಳ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಟೀಮ್ ಈತ್ ಮಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ತನಗಂತೂ ಏತೊಂಜಿ ನೀಟ್ ಆದ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಆದ ಬೈಕ್ಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಇಂಚಿನೊಂಜಿ ಬೈಕರ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಂಗ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮಾತೃಗಳ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
3 cheers to Black Fox. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you guys.
Here we come to an end of the event, and there's Sachin Bhai, Sandy, and see all the riders grooving, and Prem Bhai calling it an end. That's it for now, calling it an end. Had a brilliant event, not going for the ride, definitely not going for the ride, got a lot many other work, but then you see all the riders. Everybody is grooving to the music. So that's all for this event. Bye bye for now. See you guys.